Most welds fail because of one simple mistake, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid it. Watch this welding area closely, because this is where beginners usually lose control and ruin the joint. Keep your rod angle steady, don't rush the movement, and let the weld puddle form naturally. The key is control, not speed. Notice how the heat is managed here. Too much heat will burn the metal, and too little won't give you proper penetration. When you find the right balance, the weld becomes strong, clean, and professional. Look at this bead now, smooth, even, and solid. This is the technique experienced welders use every day. If you want to improve your welding skills and get better results, keep watching and follow for more real welding tips.